Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. Today we will learn how to make a lubricant oil animation inside an engine. Let's get started. Suppose that we have a scene like this one. We have a piston, rod and crankshaft rotating inside an engine block. We want to add lubricant oil with continuous splash as crankshaft rotation. Firstly, add a cube and scale it down. Make it fit the area that we want the liquid to be filled. Then go to the Object menu and scroll down to Quick Liquid. It will automatically turn into wireframe mode. Scale down the domain to fit our cube. Leave the gap about voxel size. Make sure that we set frame start at correct timeline. To do that, go to Physics Properties, and scroll down to Frame Start and End, and change it to where our liquid simulation should start. Now blue particles appear in our domain. You can adjust your domain if need to. Next, we need one object to hit the fluid rapidly, to create continuous splash. This tricks idea is from CrossMind Studio channel. Let's add Icosphere. Scale it down a bit and place it on top of liquid. Add a location keyframe to it, and move down with keyframe set again. Then select both keyframes, and press Shift-E to make cyclic. We can see that Icosphere moves across liquid, but no splash occurs. To make a splash, go to Physics tab and click Fluid. Change fluid type to Defector. Set sampling substance to 5. Add force to Icosphere so that we can increase the splash strength. Set the shape to surface, and increase strength to 30 for now. Scroll down and set max distance to 0.2, or maybe 0.4 will be better. Now I'm trying to play animation. As we can see, there are not enough particles to create splash. To increase it, click Domain and go to Physics Properties. Under Liquid, change Simulation Method to APIC. Scroll down a bit and set Narrow Band Width to 8, and scale the domain and Z-axis a bit, to give some space for liquid to splash. Maybe I need to reduce the narrow band width to 5 for my scene. You can adjust it according to your scene for the best animation. Now with all parameters set, scroll down again and enable mesh so that we can apply a texture to the liquid. Set Upper's factor to 3 and hide the Icosphere. After that, split the viewport vertically. Change one of that to shader editor. Change the liquid color to yellowish like engine lubricant. Before we render animation, let's bake the liquid data first. To do that, go to Physics Properties and scroll down. Under Cache tab, change Temporary Folder to folder that we want to save a bake data. Otherwise, all the data will be lost after the Blender is closed. Then change Type to All and hit the Bake button. Wait for the baking process until it is complete. It will take a while. After that, go to Render tab to render our animation. Now we are done rendering our animation. That's all for today. I hope that this video is helpful, and please like, share and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you, see you in the next video.